Hey there, fellas. So we have entered the cold season, where you got a lot of snow and ice. And the idea for this episode would be to try an alternative means while try making some sort of simple device that anybody could afford. That would help them pull a car out in case it gets stuck in the snow. As for what we've got, right here we have a cable, a meat grinder. Mind you, a meat grinder can exert quite a bit of torque. So I suggest we try making a manual winch that would, well, in our minds anyway, allow us to pull a car out of almost any sort of trap. Be it snow, or if we were in the summer season, we'd be talking mud or whatever. The cable, we're not sure if we'll be using this exact one or we'll try a different one. But the important thing is we have this reduction gear. I'm referring to this meat grinder that should generate plenty of force. Whether this will be easy or not, we'll find out in due time. But now it's a matter of piecing all of this together to see what comes out of it. And from there we can try it out pretty much anywhere given the conditions. Let's do this. Originally uploaded in 2022. Check out what we've got here. This entire assembly does take up some space. I mean, it is supposed to be durable. We've tied it to the stiffer parts of the shell to prevent it from getting ripped out. As a result, no room for the passenger. Right here, we've got that manual drill, a coil, which we made ourselves actually, out of some thick metal, for it to be able to handle serious load. Also, we've welded on a couple of tubes, one routed towards the front, the other towards the rear end. Because you really never know which way you'll have to pull your car out. As you can plainly see, it's a simple setup, inexpensively made. As for the practicality of it, well, I think we should take this outside and try it out. It's a simple system. The coil unlocks. That's so we can easily pull the cable out. After all, it's kinda hard to turn a meat grinder in the opposite direction. Right here we have a pin. Let's pull it out. From there we turn the coil like so. And there we are, it's in the desired position. Now we take the handle and proceed to turn it. No, not that way, there we go. And the cable is now wrapping around the coil. And we made it so that when you lift the assembly, the cable can be easily pulled out. Because, well... Okay, who's so massive back there? Holy cow. Anyway, we also have this, sort of disengagement mechanism for suspending the meat grinder, allowing the coil to easily rotate. Right, let's go outside and try this system out. Here we go. Let's go find some place where we can get stuck. And I mean properly stuck. Look at that. Drove right through, holy cow. Through such deep snow. Can I back up though? No, I cannot. Nor can I drive forward. There you go. The wheels are just spinning. Spinning helplessly. We're crying out loud. We're stuck? But now we've already got the cable routed back. Now we just need to find something to tie it to. And there's nothing we can tie it to. Kudos to me. Plant a tree, we'll give it some time to grow. So look, over here we found this block. We've tied the cable to it, and it should be able to hold up 107%. Time for me to get in the car. All right. Let me get everything in place. Excellent. Now I take this. Let me grab a gear. Oh, that's cold. Frozen. All right, well. Here we go. I don't know how long I'll be at it, but since I'm stuck anyway, I might as well. We do need to free the car from its snowy trap. And if you're in a hurry, then, which you almost always are, sometimes you're like, yeah, I can quickly take a shortcut through here. But sometimes it's easier said than done. No worries. Right, it's slowly gaining some tension. That's good. Right, excellent. Is it gonna stall? Surely once it gains traction. Slowly but surely. We are not in any hurry, as long as we can get out of here. Okay, so this isn't really working, but I've got something for when you get lazy. Honestly, we prepared this in advance. This right here is a cordless drill. And let's see how it works together with our system. Oh yeah, this is going much better now. Terrific. Why do it manually when you got one of these? Yeah, this is really speeding things up. Okay, so I'm almost at the hook. Let's see. Nope. Okay then, a little more. Check that out, an almost 90-degree angle. Okay, that's as much cable as we can wrap around the coil. I'll just go back and forth. Nah, won't go either way. Gotta hook up to something else. We need to find something else to hook up to. Car's getting pulled sideways. I mean, it almost made it. Just a tiny bit left to go. Okay, there we go. It is hooked up very nice. Let me remove the pin like so. Now I just grab this cordless drill. Won't even go for any gear, and here we go. This is actually very convenient. I mean, you can turn it manually, of course. But why would you when you can use a power tool to make things way more comfortable? This doesn't require any effort. The drill isn't stressed. Well, I mean, it is a tiny bit, but no big deal. You can just use a more powerful one and you'll be golden. Oh, it stalled? Holy cow. Right. Doesn't want to move. But now we're off. I think this would help you power out of pretty much any trap. But we also have a pretty steep hill up ahead. Why not try ascending it? Especially with it being snowy and, it won't make it up. No matter how much speed I'll be carrying. I will try to pick some up, who knows. Come on now. Go on, little Lotta, go! And that's a wrap. Let me try again, though. Nope, it just ain't happening. But let's try to actually get up this hill. Oh, wrong way. And here we go. Terrific. I decided to leave it in neutral because... Oh, what's going on? Did the battery die? Real? Well, that sucks. Okay, well, I guess I'll provide some assistance. And away we go. As soon as I went for a gear, that made all the difference. Now the car is moving. I can't say we're moving fast, but, oh, what's wrong? Is that it? Where's the button? Yeah, it's out of juice. Oh, no, there we go. Excellent. Still quicker than doing it manually. Even with the car at idle, the motor still has enough power. It is slippery. You got ice and packed snow. But the mechanism is pulling the car out with utter ease. The meat grinder is allowing us to tackle this hill with no trouble whatsoever. Here we are, moving along, just a bit more. I've pressed the brake, that's because we're out of cable. Let me release some of it. Relieve the tension. And now I guess we need to tie it to something. Let's do that. This battery is fully charged. Oh wait, wrong mode. Wrong way? Yeah, that way. Okay. Let's get it to a place where it can drive on its own. And this charged battery is a game changer. Excellent. This cordless drill is the business. Come on now. I see. Buggering off. More reconnection to do. Maybe it'll drive from here. It won't. Come on, almost made it. Okay, well, since it still doesn't want to drive, we'll continue resorting to using this device of ours. We need to see this through to the end. I mean, what else can we do? Car does not want to move. We'll go. Still doesn't want to drive? What gives? But now it does, and we're done. Now we can disconnect all of the ropes and whatnot from the car. grips and what have you. So check this out, guys, this actually went very well. The system was quite happy to pull the car out of a trap in either direction. I mean, we are relegated to snow, of course, as there's no mud to be found anywhere. Didn't occur to us to try this in the summer. Now, this thing does take up quite a bit of space, but hey, it works though, the full 107%. Slowly, but it does get you there. Anyway, I would recommend you try this out. Go off-roading. I mean, you can buy an electric winch, hang it up front, in the back, or in the middle so you can route the cable either way. But then electric winches can short-circuit, or experience some other failures. In this case, you just turn a handle manually and make it out. And that's all I got for you. This thing works beautifully. Watch us, consider subbing, send in your suggestions, comment. You can actually put one on both ends. Anyway, leave some comments and catch you later.